So we are going through a series right now on the alphabets and the ABCs of bankruptcy, and we're on the letter D. We actually skipped B. We'll come back to B, but we're on the letter D. And there are a lot of D's in bankruptcy. So when I was little and I would get sick, my mom would always give me chicken noodle soup. And I always preferred the alphabet soup because I was always trying to make words out of the letters that were in my alphabet soup. And sometimes you just had too many of one letter that it just wasn't, you couldn't make good words. The letter D is kind of like that in the bankruptcy code. There are a lot of D's. Debtor, that's an important word in bankruptcy. Hi, my name is Theta Page. I'm the Reconstructionist. I'm with the Page Law Firm in Frisco, Texas, and we help people who are going through difficult situations reconstruct their lives. Sometimes that's through the filing of a bankruptcy. So let's talk about debtors. Debtors are different from creditors. Debtors are the people who file bankruptcy. And if you're filing for bankruptcy with your spouse, then typically the husband is the debtor and the wife is the joint debtor. There's no written rule that says that. That's just kind of by default how it's always been done. Yeah, I know, probably pretty sexist. But bankruptcy's been around for about 120 years, and some things just haven't changed, and debtor is one of those things. So that's one D word. There's another D word, domestic support obligation. That just means child support or alimony. And then you have a domestic support obligee or domestic support obligor. I don't really want to talk about any of those D words. I want to talk about discharge and dismissal. Discharge is really important. That is the end goal in a bankruptcy. That's like, if we're going to have a sports analogy, that's like your touchdown. You want to get a discharge. That means that the debtor, the person who filed bankruptcy, is no longer legally obligated to pay their debts. That is a win. Dismissal means that something happened and your case got dismissed. That means you didn't get a discharge, which is your ultimate goal. So it's a big difference between a discharge and a dismissal. We're always going for that discharge. Sometimes, in rare instances, we want a dismissal, but that's not really what the goal is in bankruptcy. So the letter D, discharge, your ultimate goal. All right, thanks for stopping by. And if we can help you get a discharge because your creditors have been harassing you and you want to make those creditors behave, reach out to us. You can find us on the internet at www.pagelawfirm.com, or you can give us a call at 214-618-2101. Again, thanks for stopping by.